Mainit na balita.
Would like to refer to Colonel Espinido. You were directly mentioned by the former senator. So will you please answer her now on that issue?
So as Chief of Police, I am one who endorsed that complaint to the Ombudsman. But one of those names is Ma'am Leila de Lima. For the affidavit that was already made by Mayor Espinosa. For me, I am innocent for that as just only a Chief of Police who endorsed the complaint. But yung knowledge talaga, sir, hindi ko alam kung totoo na siya involved si ma'am. No, as being Chief of Police lang, na yun talaga ang procedure na mag-endorse kung may mga complaint. Huli.
Nung napatay si Mayor Parehino, napatay siya under your watch, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nakatanggap ka ba ng reward money?
Wala asa.
Wala. Would like to refer to Colonel Espinido. You were directly mentioned by the former senator. So will you please answer her now on that issue? Are you corroborating with the former senator on this, or?
Good morning, Your Honors, Mr. Chair. Good morning, ma'am. For me, as Chief of Police at that time, in Albuera, I am one of endorsing the complaint to the DOJ. One of those names is Ma'am Leila de Lima. For the affidavit that was already made by Mayor Espinosa together with his lawyer, Villarino. So as Chief of Police, I am one who endorsed that complaint to the Ombudsman. But for me, as I remember when we talked with Ma'am de Lima in the Senate, that I'm telling her that, Ma'am, the truth will set you free. Because for me, I am innocent for that as just only a Chief of Police who endorsed the complaint to the DOJ. But yung knowledge talaga, sir, hindi ko alam kung totoo na siya involved si ma'am. No, as being Chief of Police lang, na yun talaga ang procedure na mag-endorse kung may mga complaint. Pero I believe at the time, Your Honors, Mr. Chair, na kinausap na si Mayor Espinosa kung nalaman naman ng buong mundo na si Mayor Espinosa was already there in Kamkrami to Sirbato for surrender. So pag turn over niya sa akin, dala na yung mga statement na ganon. So what I did is just only to endorse the complaint to the Ombudsman, Your Honors, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Chair, thank you. I'll be asking more questions later on. Before we
Very
go
quick.
to the other, can I just ask for clarification dito kay Colonel Espinido, Mr. Chair?
Okay, you're recognized, Congressman Abante.
Colonel, it was under your watch na napatay si Mayor Navarro and Mayor Espinido and Mayor Parohinog, di ba?
Mayor Espinosa, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Pero nung napatay si Mayor Parahinog, sino ang station commander nun sa Osamis?
Ako ang sa Osamis, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so
search warrant ng CIDG.
So therefore, nung panahon mo, napatay si Parohinog at si Navarro.
Hindi, si Navarro, si Mayor Espinosa yun, Mr. Chair.
Si Mayor Parohinog.
Si Mayor
ang
Parohinog
napatay.
ang sa Osamis.
It was under your command at
Yes,
that time.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Oo. So yun nabigay sa iyo ng 600,000.
Si Juan, hindi pa yun nangyari, Mr. Chair, yung pag-operasyon sa application sa search warrant kay Mayor Parohinog. Mga 4 months, 3 months, mag-umpisa ako sa Osamis. Si Mayor Parohinog mismo, Mr. Chair, ang nagbigay ng reward sa mga nahuli.
Nung napatay si Mayor Parohinog, napatay siya under your watch, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nakatanggap ka ba ng reward money?
Wala asa
Wala.
sa wala. Kay kasi din sa kay Mayor Paruhinog, Mr. Chair, sa illegal possession of firearms at saka hindi application ko sa CIDG yon na
Alin yun?
CIDG ang applicant sa search warrant, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
So,
hindi sa akin.
Hindi drugs.
Hindi, sa illegal possession of firearms, Mr. Chair.
Ang inaano ko, nakakalito kasi nung napatay si Mayor Parahinog, ikaw ang station commander nung Samis, di ba?
Yes.
Oh, sa drugs
Mr.
din
Chair.
yun, correct?
Ang sa kay Mayor Paruhinog, sa title sa search warrant, hindi sa drugs, Mr. Chair.
Ay, hindi. So, sinong nag-utos sa'yo na patayin si Mayor Parahinog?
Hindi naman nag-utos, Mr. Chair. Sorry to say that because first, ang applicant, ang officer responsible sa implementation ng search warrant ay ang CIDG. As Chief of Police ng Ozamis, nag-assess kasi area ko ang target, no, yung si Mayor Paruhinog. So nagkataon na kami ang nandyan assign, so sinama ng CIDG as applicant ng search warrant, Mr. Chair.
At nanlaban si Parahinog kaya napatay.
Oh, doon sa implementation kasi nabiruan, may natamaan din kami, investigator ko, Mr. Chair, sa first burst of fire ng pagpunta na namin sa bahay. That is a simultaneous for 6 na search warrant na na-implement doon sa Paruhinog na
Hindi ba
siblings.
si Mayor Navarro napatay din?
Si Navarro namatay sa Cebu yun,
Cebu.
Mr. Chair. Oh, sa Bacolod na ako na-assign.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Yun lang pala.
Thank you, Congressman Abante.
Mr. Chair.
Congresswoman Jinky Luisno.
Very quick.
Very quickly.
I was listening to the interpellation of the Honorable Teves, and I want to clarify for the record the answers of Colonel Espinido. Colonel, were you the one who introduced Kerwin to Ronnie Dayan? Yes or no?
No, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Before the Senate investigation, have you personally known Senator Laila De Lima? Yes or no?
Yes,
How?
Your Honor. Na siya naging head ng CHR, Commission on Human Rights, when I was assigned in Leyte. Nagpunta pa nga si Ma'am sa Samar, kung natandaan niya, sa Samar. Pagkatapos, naging DOJ, Secretary, nag-run for senators, senator din senator din si Ma'am.
In relation to her alleged involvement in drug operation, have you known Senator De Lima before the Senate investigation? Yes or no?
Sa drugs, hindi.
Yes or no?
No, Your Honor.
Before the Senate investigation, have you known Kerwin Espinosa? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
How?
That he is involved in illegal drugs together with his father.
But in relation to the alleged transaction with Senator Laila De Lima, have you known Kerwin Espinosa before the Senate investigation?
I don't know.
Yes
Your Honor.
or no?
No, Your Honor.
Before that Senate investigation, Colonel Espinido, in relation to the alleged involvement of Senator De Lima, have you known Ronnie Dayan?
No, Your Honor.
There's also a testimony coming from Kerwin Espinosa that you and him were instructed to talk with each other to make sure that your testimonies against Senator De Lima is consistent. Do you confirm this? Yes or no?
I confirm, Your Honor.
With your answers to my questions, Colonel Espinido, this afternoon, are you retracting all the testimonies that you gave against Senator De Lima during that Senate investigation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congresswoman Jinky. Okay. We'd like to thank former Senator Laila De Lima for accepting our invitation to become one of our resource person for today. And we will now move to another resource person that we invited. And we'd like to ask Congressman Dan Fernandez to introduce to the committee the next witness.
Okay, thank you so much.
Chairman, Mr. Chairman, before Chairman Dan will proceed, are we now excusing former Senator De Lima?
Not yet.
If Senator Laila De Lima would wish to stay and remain as a observer of this hearing, you may do so, and we will welcome that. But if you wish to be excused, you will be excused.
Madam,
Thank you,
Mr.
Your
Chair,
Honor.
Mr.
Thank you,
Chair,
Your Honor. I can
think the
stay for a
present-
little while, and then I'll just leave if I need to leave.
Okay.
If I may, Mr. Chair, the presence of former Secretary Laila De Lima is so important to us, considering that later on we'll be asking GM Garma a lot of things about the reward system, and it might be. We all know that it's corroborating the reward system that was mentioned by GM Garma and the former senator, and we haven't asked yet questions kay GM Garma. We will be tackling, Mr. Chairman, the issue of the killing of Antonio Tony Halili of Tanawan, where GM Garma have mentioned certain personalities in the PNP, and this might involve the reward system that was mentioned by both resource persons. So it is imperative for us to let Senator De Lima to stay a little bit more, Mr. Chairman.
Well, as she stated in her reply to the chair, when we ask her if she wants to stay, she can stay and be an observer, or if she wants to be excused, she will be excused. So that is clear, Your Honor. So now we proceed with the next witness in our committee hearing today. Congressman Dan Fernandez, please introduce your witness.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairman. GM Garma, you remember the last time that we asked you about the story of Mr. Tony Halili. You mentioned a certain name from the PNP. A certain, during that time, he was a major, Kenneth Albotra. You remember that?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
And you mentioned that it was nabida or na-mention sa iyo yung pangalan ni Antonio Halili na kasama siya doon sa nag-operate kay Mr. Tony Halili. Am I right?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, the reason why this representation would like